Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this stunning Seat Leon 2-litre TDI FR SportCoupe DSG 3-door. Now this vehicle has currently run 43,167 miles and it's finished in the colour Phantom Black. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your LED headlights that really complement the vehicle and give you great visibility at night. Look extremely stylish there with the LED daytime running lights as well. Here around to the side you do have your 17-inch dynamic alloy wheels. You also have your indicator there integrated into the door mirror. You also have rear privacy glass giving you nice privacy to the rear and it adds to the nice sleek design of the vehicle. Here at the rear you will find 3 seats. You do have ISOFIX points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You have a nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably, and there are also rear air conditioning vents as well. So rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning and travel comfortably at the rear. And now moving round, you do have your dual exhaust there along with your Leon FR badging on the tailgate. Open up the boot, you simply push the Seat badging in. It opens up to reveal a very nice amount of space. It's nice and deep and it's very nice and wide open in there, making access into the boot super easy when loading things in. You can fit weekly shop in there very nicely and have room left over. You also have tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely in the vehicle. Now moving round, and let's take a look inside to the front of the vehicle here. You do have your leather multifunction FR branded flat bottom steering wheel. Moving round, you have your gorgeous partial leather front seats here with nice red contrast stitching. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. There is also an armrest there in the centre console so you can travel comfortably and store things away in there as well. Now that we've had a look around, I am going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Seat Leon has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include heating and folding. With the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them nice and protected. It's super handy, for example, when parking on narrow roads, as you can prevent the mirrors from being knocked off by other road users as they tuck nice and tightly into the vehicle. You have your front electric window switches there. Here on the dashboard, you will find your headlight switch. Simply pull the switch out as well to turn on and off your front and rear fog lamps. You do have your wiper stalk there, and here on the steering wheel at the right, you do have your controls for your very nice coloured display here in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You can scroll through all different vehicle information here, such as your average consumption, your how many miles you have left in your tank, and you also have a digital speedometer there as well. You can access additional menus such as your navigation compass there. You also have your audio, phone, vehicle statuses as well. Very easy to access through those and display whatever you wish to on that display. Here to the left you have your infotainment controls. Here behind the steering wheel you will find your indicator stalk that has your cruise control on it. Your cruise control is ideal for those longer journeys as it means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Moving on here, you do have your touchscreen infotainment system in the centre of the dashboard. And through this you can access your radio with DAB, FM and AM radio. With your DAB you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clearly. It's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle as well, with a list of stations you have here available to you that you can scroll through to tune in. You can save them as presets then as well, so you have them on hand very easily. You can also connect your own source of audio. You do have your media input with your USB, and there's also Bluetooth connectivity there as well. With your Bluetooth you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls there. There is a voice command option as well, so you can ask the vehicle to do things rather than messing around with the touchscreen. Super handy when driving. You can ask it to set stations or set a destination for the navigation you have here. With this, you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance. You can change the view using pinch to zoom on the touchscreen system there. You can see places of interest there, such as parking. So if you're in a new area, you can find parking super easily. You also have your traffic reports here, so you can be wary of any delays on the roads ahead. You can see here things like closure of roads, so you can be very cautious and ensure you don't bump into any delays while you're driving. You do have some vehicle settings here you can access. You have your vehicle status. You can also see your eco mode as well as your driving data. With your driving data you can see things like your miles to the gallon on there, And there you have your menu where you can scroll through all of your different menus there as well. You do have your parking pilot with front and rear parking sensors, giving you added confidence when parking, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle or things you might be able to see. Makes parking as a whole much more easier to do. And here as well, you do have your SEAT drive profile with normal, sports, eco and individual, which change how the vehicle performs and handles, so you can enhance your driving experience through these. With your individual mode, you can set up your own preferences to things like your steering and the engine, with options between sports, eco and normal. Moving down below here, you do have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices, and it does prevent any arguments on being too hot or too cold here up front. You can pick your own preferences for your side of the vehicle. You have your direction of airflow buttons there up top. You have your fan speed in the centre. You also have buttons for defrost in the front and rear windscreen. You can also sync up to have the same temperature all throughout the vehicle as well. There you have your centre console. Thanks for watching this video on the SEAT Leon 2-litre TDI FR SportCoupe DSG 3-door. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.